Hi, I'm Jack. I'm going to take you around this brand new Volkswagen.
This is the ID5 GTX MAX with a 4Motion and also the 299 PS, which also gives you a total range of up to 314 miles. You'll have peace of mind motoring with this vehicle with the manufacturer's 3-year warranty alongside 12 months roadside assistance as well. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, you benefit from adaptive cruise control, also those fantastic IQ Matrix LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. You also have these gorgeous optically fitted 21-inch Narvik alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding heated ring rests to the side, as well as privacy guards from the B-pillar backwards. You have a huge amount of boot space available as well with split folding seats. There's also a low-through hatch there as well for any longer items to pass straight through to the cabin. This car also benefits from the optionally fitted tow bar. You can just press the button and now it folds, so perfect for the bike racks there. And moving to the interior, there's lovely part leather, part Alcantara upholstery with the red stitching. A couple of USB ports in the back as well for your rear passengers to charge their devices. And at the front of the vehicle, you benefit from a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. You've got centre armrest there as well to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Your full electric adjustment in the seat with memory function as well, which also includes lumbar support. With a heads-up display on this car so you can keep your eyes on the road whilst you're on the move. You've also got digital radio for your favourite radio stations, alongside multiple media functions as well, such as your Bluetooth. You also benefit from App Connect system, giving you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so you can mirror apps directly onto the screen from your phone, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. Got the ambient light pack as well, which really does transform the interior at night. Got these preset light themes as well as multiple colours there depending on your preference. You've also got sat-nav navigation on board as well, which also displays charging stations. You've got the latest safety systems on board as well to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, such as blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, in-city emergency braking and much more. You'll have peace of mind parking as well with the 360 camera system there. You've got total view all around the vehicle, including the side views to keep those alloys in top condition. You've even got a camera view for your tow bar as well. There's multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. As well as dual zone climate control, you also benefit from heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. A little bit of storage running down the centre there with the wireless phone charging and a couple more USB points.
This vehicle comes with 3 years warranty as well as 12 months roadside assistance. For any more information, please give us a call on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.